Hi, we're Supply and Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on the Samsung range model NE59R4321SS. We're going to replace the high-limit thermostat. To do this, we will need to access the back of the range by removing the large cover panel. There are several screws. Make sure to set these aside so we can put the cover panel back on later. The high-limit thermostat is located just above and to the right of the terminal block. Start by unplugging the connectors. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully pull the tabs back to release the thermostat. Place the new Supply and Demand thermostat in the same place where the old one was removed, and secure by pushing the tabs back into place. Reconnect the wires. Put the cover panel back on. There should be tabs that slide into the range and hold the panel in place so it can be secured with screws. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.